Hello all, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see how to quickly clean your WordPress dashboard. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get started. Here we are on this WordPress dashboard and you can just see that there are multiple things that are on this dashboard. We can even minimize or maximize these things by using the simple drop down options that are over here, something like this. So I can minimize all of these things this way, and let me just do it for rest of the things also. And here now you can see that this looks much cleaner, so that like you can just maximize the things which you want to have a glance at or which you are having some action to perform on. So, and better than this, there is another option that you can choose to clean your WordPress dashboard and just have only things that you want to be having them all the time, and to remove the things that you don't frequently use. So here in the top right corner you can find this option of screen options, and this one will be having you will be providing you with all the things that are on the dashboard. And by just using the simple checkboxes, you can decide to have which particular sections on your dashboard. Let's say that I just want to have the WordPress events and news, and I just want to have the site health status on my dashboard. So let me just quickly uncheck these all other things so that I don't see them all, and that is it. And here we have this only two things that are visible on the dashboard. And in such cases where you want to add few more things, you can just simply go to the screen options and again check the sections that you want to see on the dashboard. So just choose something like, let's say I want to choose activity, and here now let me just close the screen options, and now I am good with the activity page, activity section, site health status, and WordPress events and news. In such way you can just have your dashboard clean and you can use it effectively with the sections that you frequently use only. This is all for today's video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching.